Pre-shared keys for staff Wi-Fi create a serious vulnerability. A single compromised password exposes your entire network. And SAML 2.0 authentication offers a better way, connecting your existing identity provider to create identity-driven access control. Three core concepts underpin SAML. A SAML assertion is a digitally signed XML document that declares who a user is and provides their attributes. The identity provider manages and authenticates users, acting as your authoritative source of truth. The service provider, such as your Wi-Fi network, trusts the identity provider to perform authentication and relies on the signed assertion as proof. Three rules matter most in production. First, certificate expiry causes complete outages. The SAML signing certificate is like a passport. If it expires, authentication fails for all users simultaneously. Set redundant alerts at 90, 60, and 30 days. Second, use immutable identifiers, not email addresses. An email can change or be reassigned to a new employee, breaking access profiles or granting unintended access. Always use a permanent identifier like an object guide as the name ID. Third, group claims enable scalable access. Configure your identity provider to send group membership in the assertion. You then manage access via group membership in your IDP, which you already do for other applications, instead of per-user configuration. Read the full guide at purple.ai